Welcome. Here's a quick guide to help you access the key of the property stored in the key safe. First, locate the key safe and find the combination number. You can find this information in the welcome letter. This is a key safe that uses a dial combination with 4 numbers. First, slide down the black flap to reveal the combination code locking system. Turn the dials on the key safe to align the numbers of the combination code with the indicator line. Ensure each number is precisely lined up. Pull down the lever on the left side of the key safe. This action will release the lock and allow you to access the key inside. Take the key from the key safe and close the door of the safe. Now scramble the dials and push the flap back up to secure it. After your departure, lock the key back in the key safe. Scramble the dials to ensure the key safe is securely locked and push the flap back up. We hope this guide helped you easily access your accommodation. Enjoy your stay.